DIY cucumber, potato and gram flour face packs to treat dark spots and dull skin. I need 1 cucumber. Cucumber extract helps to reduce puffiness, smooth out fine lines, protect the skin from the harmful effect of free radicals, make it look fresh and glowing. Cucumber extract soothes and hydrates the skin. It can also help to relieve itching and redness. Grate the cucumber. Cucumber has antioxidant components that help reduce wrinkles. Maintains skin health, reduces dark circles, and treats dull skin. This cooling blend will make your skin supple and glow naturally. They help fight oxidative stress and lower inflammation in the body. Removing that inflammation through the cooling effects of cucumbers is thought to successfully even out tone and achieve a natural glow. Cucumbers are often seen as a beauty staple for their ability to soothe and cool red, irritated skin. The cooling and refreshing nature of cucumber helps treat a lot of skin concerns like hydration, redness, skin aging, inflammation, irritation, etc. Toner helps with shrinking the pores, resulting in lesser oil secretion. Cucumber has high water content that soothes your skin and keeps it hydrated. Cucumber has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce skin inflammation effectively. Strain the grated cucumber through a strainer. Cucumber can be used to soothe sunburnt skin, in case you have spent long hours under the scorching sun. Cucumber can put an end to the burning sensation in your skin. It fights against oxidative damage to your skin caused by free radicals. It brightens the skin tone and lightens all the pigmentation of your skin. Cucumber to make a perfect facial mask for your skin. Cucumber helps with dark spots and blemish marks too. You can add a few more natural ingredients and you will have an inexpensive yet effective face mask. I need 1 potato. Potatoes are excellent at soothing under-eye puffiness and reducing the appearance of darkness in the area. Potato is rich in zinc, which heals your skin and soothes inflammation. Potato juice on face helps for brightening complexion. Some of the benefits are that it can help to lighten skin tone, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and help to remove dark circles and bags under the eyes. Potato is considered as an effective anti-aging beauty agent, particularly in warding off wrinkles. Strain the grated potato through a strainer. Potato facial or face mask helps treat acne and other skin conditions like dark spots and blemishes. Potato is known to have vitamin C, which is known to promote collagen production and also repair damaged skin cells. Potato to treat skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, anti-aging potato cream to get clear skin. Cucumber juice soothes the skin and removes tan, while lemon and potato juices clean the clogged pores and remove excess oil. Using cucumber juice may also help take care of skin damage due to sunlight. Now I will make face pack. 2 spoon gram flour. You can make a glowing face pack with gram flour for acne, dry skin, and oily skin. Try out these gram flour face packs. It has natural exfoliating and cleansing properties that can help to reduce clogged pores and keep skin clear. Add rose water. Rose water for skincare is also highly effective in treating oily, acne-prone skin. 3 spoon cucumber juice. Cucumber juice soothes the skin and removes tan, while lemon and potato juices clean the clogged pores and remove excess oil. 2-spoon potato juice. The combination of cucumber juice and potato prevents breakouts by reducing excess oil and keeping your skin healthy. Gram flour, commonly known as besan, is a great help in lightening. Potato juice does not only work as a bleaching agent but also helps. Mix well. Cucumber contains astringent, lightening, and cooling properties, effectively treating dark spots. It helps moisturize your skin without clogging your pores. Removes tan. Gram flour is a great way to remove tan when applied to the skin. Gram flour face packs are the perfect solution to skin problems like blemishes and dull skin. Both potatoes and cucumbers are well known for clearing skin naturally. Juices from the potato and cucumber are natural astringents that are known to lighten facial skin. Few drops lemon juice. Agent: lemon juice is rich in acids, primarily citric acid, lesser amounts of malic acid. Lemon juice can get rid of dead skin cells. Mix well. The natural acids in lemons work as gentle exfoliators, eliminating dead skin cells and promoting the growth of new, healthier ones. Lemon juice works well as a bleaching agent since it brightens and lightens the skin while also promoting the production of collagen. This is a very good face mask for those with oily skin. Besan or gram flour acts as a natural exfoliator and helps in removing dead skin cells. Wash the skin well before using the pack. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. Easy homemade cucumber face mask recipes to nourish skin. Potatoes have the ability to reduce the appearance of premature skin aging. Potatoes can lessen damage to the skin from the sun and remove tan. The potato juice in this face pack can help calm the skin and reduce inflammation caused by sunburn. This also gives glowing skin. Cucumber juice added with lime juice can be applied on the face to remove pigmentation marks. It will help tighten the skin. Apply 2 to 3 times per week.